Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Today I am going to share few tips to organize your kitchen and will also share my favorite kitchen organizers which can turn your kitchen super organized and easy to work on daily basis. So let's get started.
Use Stir Organizer to keep your spices and condiments. This organizer keeps all the bottles visible and organized, and you can easily grab any item from the back without fiddling items kept in the front. For top shelves of the cupboard where mostly our hands don't reach, use this Lazy Susan to keep bottles and condiments. Just give a spin and grab what you need. So easy. If you want to save space, get this kind of compact revolving spice rack to store spices. It is very easy to grab spices even if it is kept on the top shelf. Just give a spin and grab spices easily. Well, next organizer most of the people use in India. This is a spice rack where you keep all the daily needs spices, salt and masalas. This is really compact and very helpful in daily cooking. Use this kind of corner shelf organizer to keep your non-sticks and tawas segregated. Get a dish or laundry basket if you have deep lower cupboards where it is difficult to bend down and grab items from the back. I utilize this space to keep my extra monthly stock. Just slide it and grab items easily. Get this kind of shelf organizer to utilize vertical space efficiently. By using this organizer, I have doubled up the space and now I can keep my crockery and glasswares more organized. Similarly, these over-the-cabinet baskets help utilizing vertical space efficiently. Use this corner shelf organizer to keep crockery. It fits perfectly in the corner of the cupboard and again helps saving vertical space and keep things segregated. You can use these kind of grilling plates also which come with microwave. I don't use them often, so utilizing them here. Get mesh magazine holder to keep chopping boards and trays. Just place it horizontally and put little putty or double tape at the bottom so that it does not move from its place. Keep small baskets and holders to organize your snack cupboard. Categorize items and place them in baskets like I am keeping popcorn and chocos packets here, biscuits and other snack packets in this basket, candies and chocolates in these holders, and in this basket I keep all open snack packs. And this over the cabinet basket I am keeping beverages and snack packs. Always use rectangular shaped food containers instead of round shape. By using rectangular shaped containers, it is easy to stack on top of each other and it saves front and side space also. But if you use round shaped food containers which are of same capacity, you won't be able to stack the same number of containers. Keep empty food storage container on top of each other with lid on. Some people prefer to keep boxes and lids separately, but I prefer this way, as when in need I don't have to fiddle around to find the exact lid of the container. And I know how many complete pair I have. If anything missing or broken from the pair, I can discard the other one as well. Get this kind of section box to keep miscellaneous small items like food sticks, toothpicks, candles, pizza seasoning and ketchup sachets. It will help to keep your drawer organized and items will remain segregated. Must have in the kitchen are these Ziploc bags, netted bags and clips. Ziploc bags will help food stay fresh and they come in various sizes. And these netted bags are good to keep vegetables. And these clips are very useful to tie open snack packets and breads. Get a small whiteboard in the kitchen to write your grocery and vegetable shopping list. As soon as you're finished or about to finish with any item, write it down on the board. This way you will remember buying it next time. Just click the picture of the board while leaving for shopping. This carry bag dispenser is awesome buy to store all those small poly bags which come with vegetable, fruit and grocery shopping. You can make DIY dispenser with your old pajama or pant also. We'll make a video on this soon. If you don't have any rack to keep your cleaning supplies, get this over the cabinet rack. It can be easily fit to any cabinet and can be shifted anywhere as per the requirement. Last but not the least, if you don't have furnished kitchen or you don't have drawers in your kitchen, get this drawer system which is easily available in the market and online. It will help you keeping small items organized. Like here in this first drawer I have kept cling wrap, foil roll and ziploc bags. In the second drawer some miscellaneous items. Third drawer is used to keep shopping bags. And the last one is used to keep oven mittens and apron.
All the organizers and products shown in this video are easily available online or at a local store. Please find the link in the description box if you're interested in buying them online. So how did you like this video? Please share feedbacks and ideas on kitchen organizing in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet for more organizing videos. So thank you for watching this video. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.